Yeah, hi, I'm Toby from Grow the Pie. This is a huge surprise, and we're really happy to be here. And my teammate and co-founder Matthias, he's unfortunately not here anymore. But yeah, we've been hacking for, let's say, the last 2 days on, let's say, a proposal that builds on the platform that we already run, which is called growthepie.xyz. It's a analytics platform that's supposed to bring, the whole scaling space of Ethereum closer to people, like that are builders, that are end users, and of course it's also DAO members in this case. So our proposal is then building on the Arbitrum Orbit. So, which is important because there's going to be so many Orbit chains out there. And of course, everyone wants to be seen and everyone wants to have transparency around them. What's going on these layer 2s, layer 3s? What's the difference? And so that's why we, as Grow the Pie, are also building now a new stack view where you see the whole Orbit stack. So you can actually measure, okay, what's going on these different Orbit chains, and really kind of see, okay, what are the fundamentals behind them. And on top of that, for DAO members, for the Arbitrum DAO, it's important to see, okay, what revenue these Orbit chains are actually driving, right? So is it worth funding like a particular aspect of it, or like really kind of seeing the data behind of what you actually do in the Arbitrum Orbit? So that you see a screen here, it's a little prototype that we built. It's building on a couple of aspects we have on our platform. So on the top, you see the overall Orbit view. So that's an aggregated view of all the Orbit chains that are going to be out there. So with this proposal, we're saying like we're going to onboard at least 20 Orbit chains within the next 5 months, and really kind of showing what are the layer 2s, what are the layer 3s that are building on top of the stack. And of course, what's that different focus? Because for us, it's very important as Grow the Pie to see, look, what do I get actually out of using these different chains, and where should I be? What's running on the different chains, and really kind of where should I be as an end user? Where should I be as a builder? And what should I fund as the DAO, for example? And so you see like the tables, the different revenue for the different chains. And also for each of these layer 3s, you have a dedicated page where you see different metrics around activity, around economics, around really value locked, and also convenience metrics. So where, like how, let's say, how expensive is it to transact on all the different chains? And so that will be then integrated, and with the whole stack view, you then, in the end, will actually also be able to compare to different stacks that are out there, because we all kind of know, like, the future will look bright for the different roll-ups that are coming up, and that's what we're trying to support. And that's, of course, what we're trying to really curate with different fundamental metrics, the block space usage, so which different smart contracts are actually also running on the different chains. We're doing a lot of work in smart contract labeling with the Open Labels initiative, and so that will flow all into this proposal as well. I think that's pretty much it. Really happy to be here. Really happy to be working with the Arbitrum DAO right from the beginning now, or let's say starting from now more closely, and really cool that we are chosen as one of the finalists. So thank you very much, and yeah, like to a good partnership. Thank you. Cheers.